It's my Feel Good Breakfast Show.
We found goodness in Goed Gedacht olive oil and all the good they do for the community. Pick n Pay, always there for you.
Welcome back to Expresso here on SABC3, your feel-good breakfast show. Now, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we, of course, have to make it get better with one more recipe containing carrots because it is International Carrot Day. And now we're making a recipe with a bit of a long name. It is a spiced carrot, walnut, date, and coconut bar. And the person that's going to make that for us is the incomparable Chef Jonathan Malden. How are you?
Very good, thank you very much.
You are incomparable. Like, nobody compares. There is just one Jonathan.
Okay.
How are you?
Very good, thank you.
That's great, that's great. Well, like I said, this recipe has a long name, so hopefully the steps are easier.
It's got a long name. It's a lot easier. I'll tell you what, it's a fuss-free recipe. It really is.
We like that.
You don't actually need any equipment other than a food processor, a grater, and basically that's it.
Wonderful. And of course, the pièce de résistance, the carrot.
The carrot, exactly.
Okay, our showstopper for today. All right, so what do we need for our recipe
So
today?
basically, as we mentioned that International Carrot Day, we've got our carrots.
Okay.
All we need to do with these carrots is we grate them finely, use about a cup, 2 cups of carrots, place that into our food processor.
All right.
Then to add a little bit of crunch, we've got some walnuts, and we place that into it. Love them as well.
Yeah.
And then to kind of bind everything quite nicely, we just use general muesli. I mean, you can use the breakfast muesli, you can use anything really. So some oats inside here, it's quite a nice one. It's got a few nuts, a few seeds.
I like the almonds in there as well,
yes,
raisins,
exactly.
Yeah.
Super simple. And then to add a little bit of sweetness, and also to bind it quite nicely, we've got some raisins.
More raisins.
More raisins, there we are. Pop that in there. And then our desiccated coconut. And desiccated coconut is basically just coconut that's been finely grated. It's kind of dried out a little bit. And that adds some sweetness.
Yeah.
And it kind of, as I said, like it binds it all together as well. So it just brings it all together.
Okay.
So we can place that in there. You really don't need to do exact quantities because you can kind of test it out once it's set as well.
And you can decide how sweet you want it or how much coconut you want as opposed to raisins. That's the nice thing about it.
For sure. And you don't have to stick to this specific recipe either because you can add different things if you want. If you like to add some seeds, you can add some sunflower seeds. If you want to flax seeds, whatever you got in your cupboard, you know?
It's such a versatile recipe.
It really is.
Really nice. Okay, now we need to get to the spiced part.
Exactly.
Very cool.
So, you know, I really like these kind of spices, which are kind of that Christmassy, fragrant spices, like cinnamon.
Yeah.
So we'll probably put about one teaspoon, maybe two.
Nice.
You know, it's been Easter recently, and we've been making some hot cross buns and stuff, and it's kind of a similar spice, isn't it? Like cinnamon, some nutmeg, that kind of thing.
I'm a big fan of cinnamon because apparently it helps with weight loss as well.
Does it?
So you could add it to your tea.
Oh, you see.
Really, really nice.
Yeah, so we're going to do some little bit of ginger as well. You know, give it some nice fragrance.
Pop that in there.
Yeah, why not 1 or 2 teaspoons? Put that in there.
And then we mix it all up.
We mix it all up. So simply pop it into the food processor. Give it a good pulse.
Give it a whirl.
Yeah. You don't want to do too much of you don't want it to become really, really smooth. I really like the fact that it's got its nuts in there.
Nice.
And it's kind of quite chunky and it's got some texture.
Now, while you move on to the next few steps of the recipe, if you would like our recipe for our spiced date, carrot, walnut, and coconut bars, all you have to do is SMS the word carrot to 33728. We'll gladly send you your Pick n Pay shopping list and the link to the recipe, and you could be making this as well. We also asked you on our Facebook page, what is your favorite carrot recipe? And we just want to say thank you to Audrey Riley from Harare in Zimbabwe for sending us a very easy but very delicious looking carrot soup. We'll definitely be checking that out as well. While Jonathan continues, if you want to check out how exactly we made our recipe for these carrot bars, check this out.
Place all the ingredients except honey and dates into food processor. Blitz until chopped but still chunky. Transfer to bowl and add honey and dates. Press into lined baking dish to 3 centimeters thick and rest for 20 minutes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Cool, then cut into bars.
As you can see in the recap, we are now busy mixing our bars together, and when it is done, it is going to be in these lovely, cute bars. Of course, they don't come out wrapped. You wrap them, put a nice little bow together, and Bob's your uncle. There we go. Thank you so much, Jonathan. Once again,
Your uncle?
thank you so much. Thank you guys for being here. Mark, thank you so much for letting us do.
All of them. All of them.
Mark, thank you so much for letting us do all those crazy things. One more time, where can we get tickets to your show happening on the 6th of April?
Can we still get tickets?
At Grand Arena, there. At Combi
At
Ticket.
Combi Ticket, there we
Saturday
go.
night, Grand Arena, Grand West. Am I there?
Yeah. Catch
Thanks.
Mark Lottering's comedy showcase starring Tumi Morake. Of course, we've got
Robbie Collins,
Robbie
and we've
Collins.
got from the UK, Mr. Kev
Mr.
Orkin.
Kev Orkin.
Apparently,
not
very
to
soon I'll also be
missed.
featured. Very soon.
This guy McDonald.
Thank you.
The
Well, it's been a
emergence.
fantastic show. Thanks, guys. We
What a
love
great
you.
day,
Thank
guys.
you.
Love you too much. Good job, sir. Thank you very much.